Alright folks, here we are, Walden Pond. Well, it's raining, but you know what? Let's fish anyway. So first up, BBZ1 Spro Rat. And I haven't caught anything on this yet, but hopefully today is the day. So let's find out. Alright, so tossing this, no luck yet. I'm still on the BBZ1 Rat. Change up the action. Oh yeah, there we go. First one on the rat, baby. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh yeah, good fish, good fish. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh yeah, big mama. Very nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was the first time. Oh yeah, big boy. BBZ1 Rat, baby. There we go. Woo! Look at that shit. That's what I am talking about right there. Good fish. Let's get a weight on this dude. Alright. We're gonna say 4 pounds. 4.6. Very nice. Big boy. Look at that. Fat fish, man. Nice. My phone almost dropped in the water. Let this guy go. There he goes. Hell yeah, baby. Woo! Oh, gotta blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up. Come on. Saw that blow up? That was a big fish. Let's see if I go back. I'm fishing in the rain. Fishing in the rain, fishing in the rain, fishing in the rain. So, note to self, waterproof pants for next time. My top's good, it's just my bottom. I am freezing. Yeah, I got another one here. Oh yeah. Come on, son of a bitch. Yeah. Good fish, good fish. Alright, landing another one, baby. On the Senko. Senko never fails. Another big Halse. Relax, man. Just want to get you back in the water. It's a little shy of 3 pounds. 213. Not bad. Right. And there he goes. Literally hanging right off that drop, off that ledge. So, all done. I didn't catch a lot, but we caught quality, so time to go home. I am freezing my ass off. I am shivering. My pants are soaked. I can't stop shaking, so I think I'm gonna call it a day and go sit on the couch and watch some TV. So alrighty folks, catch you guys later.